The Ministry of Home Affairs on May 30 issued new guidelines for the fifth phase of lockdown, which is slated to begin from Monday, June 1 and will be effective till June 30. Dubbing the fifth phase of the lockdown Unlock 1, which will have an economic focus, the ministry said a decision have been taken to reopen prohibited activities in a phased manner in areas outside the containment zone. This will be allowed in 3 stages, the ministry said, adding that each would be allowed if the Home Ministry SOPs are followed. Activities listed in the second and third stages will only be permitted after assessing the on-ground situation at that time and in consultations with the states and union territories, the Home Ministry added. The guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs says that the lockdown is being extended till June 30 only in containment zones. These containment zones will be demarcated by the states depending upon the severity of the coronavirus outbreak in an area. For areas outside of the containment zones, this is the lifting of the lockdown in a phased manner. Malls, hotels, restaurants and religious places such as temple, mosque and churches will be reopened from June 8. Schools, colleges, coaching institutes and other such educational institutions will be open in July. The second phase of restrictions easing after due consultations with parents and other stakeholders. The Indian Railway have already announced that 100 pairs of train will be start running from Monday, June 1. While international flights, metro trains, cinema halls, gymnasium, swimming pools, entertainment parks, theatres, bars and auditoriums, assembly halls and similar places shall remain out of bounds for now. This, however, will be eased in phase 3rd of this unlocking after due consultation with stakeholders. State have been given the right to decide that. This also means that while the centre has allowed the free movement of people and goods across the interstate borders, state can still choose to seal their borders and not allow people from other states to enter. The night curfew shall continue to remain in place, however, its timing have been relaxed. The night curfew will now be observed from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Everyone will continue to be expected to wear masks, maintain social distancing and exercise personal hygiene. Apart from this, the Ministry of the Health and Family Welfare will issue standard operating procedures for all new openings.
लगातार हम सब मान रहे हैं कि चुनौती है, लेकिन जहां खतरा है वहां पर हमें सावधानी रखने की जरूरत है और जहां पर कम खतरा है वहां जिम्मेदार जितने भी हमारे संस्थागत क्षेत्र हैं उनके ऊपर भी एक जिम्मेदारी छोड़ी गई है, जैसे होटल है या रेस्टोरेंट है, जो भी क्षेत्र खुलते हैं वो सब भी आखिर एक जवाबदेह इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं और इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि हम सबको कोरोना के इस खतरे के साथ अपनी जिम्मेदारियों का निर्वहन करने का मौका सरकार ने दिया है। हमारे उद्योग थे उनको राहत मिलेगी और शायद देश की बड़ी जरूरत थी।
ये तो अब सरकार की स्वीकारोक्ति है कि लॉकडाउन से कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ कोविड-19 के केसेस में, और जब 500 केसेस था तो उस समय सरकार ने लॉकडाउन का निर्णय लिया था। आज जब 1,80,000 पर पहुंच गया केसेस तो लॉकडाउन खोल दिया गया कंटेनमेंट जोन को छोड़ के। तो खुले, लेकिन साथ साथ जो स्वास्थ्य सुविधाएं हैं उस पर विशेष रूप से सरकार का ख्याल होना चाहिए।
Even as the government announced the lockdown 5.0 measures as India witnessed its biggest single-day jump of 265 deaths due to COVID-19 on Saturday, as well as 7,964 cases of the virus in 24 hours. The nationwide lockdown first came into force on March 25 for 21 days and then extended to April 15 and later on May 4th and May 31 to curb the spread of the novel coronavirus. Bureau Report.